Civil authorities have issued an alert for the following states: Montana, Florida, New Mexico, Connecticut. Effective until further notice. This is an official message from the United States government. At approximately 9 a.m. Eastern Time, multiple meteor strikes were reported in the following states: Montana, Florida, New Mexico, Connecticut. Local and federal authorities have confirmed that the meteors carried an unidentified biological agent. Initial exposure symptoms include sudden high fever, severe coughing or vomiting, disorientation or blackouts, rapid onset of unconsciousness or death within hours. As of 2 p.m., hundreds of confirmed cases have been reported, and fatalities are rising. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, has classified this agent as a Tier 1 biohazard. Mandatory instructions: shelter in place immediately. Do not leave your residence unless instructed. Seal all doors and windows. Use plastic sheeting, tape, or towels. Do not approach anyone showing symptoms. Avoid all contact with bodily fluids or contaminated surfaces. Turn off all air conditioning or ventilation systems. Tune into trusted news and government sources for hourly updates. About the virus: the pathogen appears to be airborne, and has a rapid incubation period. Officials believe it originated from organic matter inside the meteors. The military and CDC are deploying field teams to assess and contain the threat. Do not call 911 unless it is a life-threatening emergency. Repeat, this is a national-level biohazard event. Remain calm. Shelter in place. Further instructions will follow on NOAA weather radio, TV, and official alert systems.